Right. Wow. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, go again. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Grabe, ang taas niya na. Go show grandma. Ni watch it daw. Asan si Jade? Pumasok na naman? Ni manood ka. Wait ka. Yes ko naman. No, Jelana, you need to go upstairs there. All the way to the end, Jolene. Then you can reach it there. Yeah, go. Yeah. Yan doon pala yung tiyaga. May tiyaga pala dun. Oh!